Welcome to this course on aromaticity. So what is the advantage in having a delocalization? Delocalization means possibility of new orbital overlap and additional stabilization of the system. When a molecule has a delocalization, it enjoys extra stability in terms of energy gained through delocalization, and this is called as delocalization energy or resonance energy. If delocalization was not possible, then benzene should behave as a cyclohexatriene. Let us see how much more benzene is stable compared to this hypothetical localized structure, which is cyclohexatriene. Now, the heat of hydrogenation of cyclohexene has been experimentally determined to be 28.6 kilocalories per mole. If we consider C6H6 as just a cyclohexatriene, then the heat of hydrogenation should be 3 multiplied by 28.6 kilocalories per mole, which is equal to 85.8 kilocalories per mole. However, when the heat of hydrogenation was experimentally determined for benzene, it was found to be 49.8 kilocalorie per mole, and this was one of the best experimental evidence for the existence of benzene and non-existence of cyclohexatriene. So here we can see the enthalpy of hydrogenation of cyclohexene was found to be minus 28.6 kilocalorie per mole. Enthalpy of hydrogenation of cyclohexatriene, which is hypothetical, was found to be 85.8 kilocalorie per mole, and the benzene has minus 49.8 kilocalorie per mole. Therefore, benzene enjoys the extra stabilization in terms of resonance energy, which is 36 kilocalorie per mole. Since hydrogenation of cyclohexatriene and benzene both lead to cyclohexane, reason for the difference in their heat of hydrogenation should be due to their difference in their stability. From this, it is clear that benzene is 36 kilocalorie per mole more stable than cyclohexatriene. That is, benzene with 6 delocalized pi electron is 36 kilocalorie per mole more stable than cyclohexatriene with 6 localized pi electron. Here, 36 kilocalorie per mole is the resonance energy of benzene, which we call it as resonance stabilization energy. Now, heat of hydrogenation is the quantity of heat released when 1 mole of an unsaturated compound is hydrogenated. Because of the aromaticity in benzene, the resulting molecule is planar in shape, with each carbon-carbon bond being 1.39 angstrom in length and each bond angle being 120 degree. You might ask yourself, how is it possible to have all the bonds to be of the same length if the ring is conjugated with both single and double bond? But it is important to note that there are no distinct single or double bonds with respect to benzene. Rather, the delocalization of the ring makes each count as 1.5 bonds between the carbons, which we call it as partial pi bond, which makes sense because experimentally we find that the actual bond length is somewhere between a single bond and a double bond. Finally, there are a total of 6 p orbital electrons that form the stabilizing electron clouds above and below the plane of the aromatic ring.